Neon light effects have made a comeback and are here to stay. Big, striking, and saturated colors make this trend a difficult one to miss. Here's our countdown for the 10 best neon effects for Photoshop in 2020. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Number 10. Neon Photoshop Action by SCO4. With 3 different tube sizes, 8 neon colors, and with a crystal clear YouTube tutorial to explain how everything fits together, you're never going to be left in the dark with this gorgeous neon action. An excellent way to get you started with neon effects. Number 9. Neon Text by Mixed Media 87. This vector neon layer style is beautifully arranged and easy to customize. The template includes vector wires and backgrounds that will add more realism to your signs. Type your text, flip the switch, and see it all light up like Times Square in New York. Number 8. Neon Layer Styles by Aragon. This neon layer style is sleek, elite, and infinitely customizable. With 5 different types of glow, this template comes with more than 60 neon color variations. Perfect for a classy establishment. You know the type. No shirt, no shoes, no service. Number 7. 80s Retro Text Effects Volume 1 by IndWorks. A sumptuous collection of synthwave staples, which includes everything you need for creating a beautiful 80s-inspired text art. Neon, grids, sunsets, and glowing abstract geometry, coupled with more cyan and pink than you can shake a stick at. Number 6. Neon Sign Styles V4 by Mixed Media 87. We thought, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Clearly, the artist behind these bold and beautiful Nevada-inspired neon signs failed to receive that particular message. Get the classic neon look for your signs in just a few clicks. If you're enjoying our countdown, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep getting updates on new videos for content creators like you. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay up to date and never miss one of our roundups. Number 5. Retro Wave Brush for Procreate by Sizamon ID. Palm trees, gradients, glittering skyscrapers, and vintage cars combine to make this scintillating neon brush pack a perfect fit for your club night, rap debut, or Miami Vice watch party. Use this template if you want to make the most out of 80s nostalgia. Number 4. Lucent Photoshop Action by 7 Styles. With a couple of clicks, Lucent swathes any subject in neon text and electric sparks. A quick selection of your subject and a few clicks will get you impressive results. It's a surefire recipe for dynamism and excitement. We can't recommend this one highly enough. Number 3. Neon Light Lightroom Presets by Creative Tacos. Inject some neon magic into your photography with these vivid and dramatic presets. Bring your photos to life and achieve mind-blowing color saturation with just a few clicks. Perfect for outdoor photography, urban, and fashion portraits. Number 2. Neon Sign Photoshop Effect by Pixel Buddha Graphic. An intoxicating collection of late-night neon signs. If you're into dive bars, fast food joints, and comedy clubs, you'll be into these retro-inspired signs. 6 handy backgrounds and textures are included to add a grunge personality to your creations. Number 1. 8 Cyberpunk Aesthetics Photoshop Actions and LUTs by Sparklestock. If you want your nighttime cityscapes to look like Neo Tokyo in the year 2247, these thrilling cyberpunk-inspired Photoshop actions are just what the cyborg doctor ordered. The file includes 8 different actions that range from a warm nostalgic feel to a bright, contrasty, futuristic look. That's it, the 10 best neon effects for Photoshop. What was your favorite neon effect? Leave us your answer in the comments below, and let us know how you're planning to use it in your next project. If you found our content useful, make sure you click the like button to support our channel and hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. Check out the next video selected just for you by clicking on the thumbnail to the right of your screen now.